Today we're going to climb the SkyPoint. You ready, Elda?
So we did the Burj Khalifa. What? Oh no, we haven't been here. Oh no, yeah, we did Burj Khalifa. We did One World. We did the Petronas. We did the Empire. So we just doing the Q1. We did the Eiffel Tower. So the only thing we didn't do is the Burj Khalifa.
Bucket list.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Fantastic. I like your bucket list. Yes. Magical.
Thank you.
Well, thanks guys. Sounds good.
Yes, this is our guy.
Welcome to Queensland.
Yeah.
We survived, which is good. Yeah, it's one of my first trips, so yeah, I'm glad I got to show you. Not my first, but like probably I don't know, 7th or something. So yeah.
Are you
So I'm
scared?
glad- No, I was the first time. So yeah, no.
See ya.
But nice to-
Afternoon tea at SkyPoint. After we did the climb in the tower, so we're just gonna have a relaxing afternoon tea here in SkyPoint. So we have what's this? Cheesecake, coffee for Nico, and veggies, potato wedges.